Hi everyone, very good evening to all of you, and welcome to Innovation Tech Community. So today we are discussing about the three generatives. ChatGPTs of Google and Microsoft and the OpenAI. So we have to uh, comparison between each and everyone. We have to give some commands to each generative AI and how they can give the information from the how they can analyze the information. And how they can give the output to our input commands. Today we can discuss in details about the session. So let's move on. Yeah. Uh, so before we are moving to the this session, I would like to introduce myself. I am Pratap Reddy. I'm working as associate consultant in AVDM and at Atos Business. Today we have to discussing about three three generatives of ChatGPT, Bing AI, and Google Bard. So as of now, and we are already know about the thorough about the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is the can replaces the Google, and everyone knows about that. Content generator from the Chat OpenAI. So they can give the some huge content. How they can analyze the information, what they can give, they can come. Accept the input commands from the users. They can analyze it and given the feedback to. Given output to the users. So that's why everyone trust the OpenAI nowadays. Recently, 1 month back, we already gone through the one more video about this Bing AI versus ChatGPT. On that day, we are comparison between both of them. So recently, 2 days back, that Google CEO Sundar Pichai also launches the but also launched previously in other countries, but we don't have an access to we are not able to utilize this bot AI in India. So now 2 days back onwards we are able to utilize these features of all the features of Bing AI also, bot AI also. So today we have to given the same context same content to the each technology, how they can give the response to in each technology. So today we all are gone through the each and every session. Each and every content, how they can analyze it and how they can give the feedback to the users and everything. We are able to hands on today's session. And one more thing. Uh, 1 second, guys. Yeah. Let's start from the Chat GPT and then Bing AI and Google Bot. Okay. So we have to learn each and everything about from their uh, technology. Okay. So first of all, I noted some questions, how we are able to ask some questions to these technologies. So first question I have to everyone, we have to say hello, hi, and with the universal comments we have to say to the each technology. First of all, so I would like to introduce each and everyone. And okay, so now I have to introduce the each technology. So first, this is the Chat GPT, and 1 second, guys. This is the Bing AI, and this is the Google Bard, and this is the Chat GPT. So now we have to given the commands. Like first command I have to. So now we have. Let's see. I'm gone through the comparison between the Chat GPT versus Bing AI versus Bard AI. Now I have to given the command like to the Chat GPT is high. How they can give the response? Let's say enter. Hello, how can I assist you today? Same thing we have to given to being a okay. Let's say so every day I have the 20 credentials to utilize the being a. So I just given the command hi. Let's see they're generating the response. Yeah, same thing. Hello, how can I assist you? So how can I help you today? Uh, in the OpenAI, one second. In ChatGPT, hello, how can I assist you today? So it's quite similar. And move to this board. So this is the board preview. Now I can use this board. I have to given the command like hi. Let's see how they can give the command. Hi there. How can I help you today? Yeah. So let's see. I'm given the command like hi. They're given the different, same meaning with a different context. Different vocabularies. Now can move to the second question that is, I can ask their introduction. Like, I can ask the OpenAI ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? Let's see. What is ChatGPT? Yeah. So they are giving the ChatGPT is a language model developed by the OpenAI and based on the generate. One second, guys. Mm, pin. Yeah. ChatGPT is a language model that is developed by OpenAI based on the GPT generative pre-trained or transformer architecture, specifically GPT 3.5 designed to generate the human-like text. So they can give their introduction. I asked like what is ChatGPT? They can give some content generator from ChatGPT OpenAI, and now I would like to move to this Bing AI. I'd like to ask what is Bing AI? Let's let's see what happened. So before we are going to each technology, you have to log in with your credentials. Whether it is like the email address or username, whatever you have, you need to go through the each and every. Okay, let's see. Bing AI. That is Akka Bing chart. I don't know exactly what is it. It is an it is extracted from that node, Latin node, I don't know exactly. Is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by the Microsoft and released in 2023. And it is on top of the OpenAI ChatGPT 4 foundational large language model and has been fine-tuned using the supervised and reinforced learning technique. Let's see. There's also, I don't know whether it is, competitive for the GPT-4. I don't know exactly. OpenAI's GPT means at ChatGPT-4. But let's see, I think this information is not generated. It is not AI generated. So it is extracted from the Bing source. Okay. Now, I'm not satisfied with this answer. Now, I would like to move to BARD. So what is BARD AI? So let's see what happening. Yeah. BARD AI is a large language model and chatbot developed by the Google AI. It is trained on massive data sets of text and code and can generate text, translate language, and different kind of creative context and answer all questions in the informative way. So BART is still under development, but is learning to perform many kinds of tasks, including. Oh yeah, that's enough, right? So that they give. BART is telling that they are not. I mean, they are still under development, so they are under maintenance. They are not fully. Utilized for the users. So we can expect the new more feature from the BART. Okay. Now I would like to yeah move to the chat GPT again and I will ask you one coding question. Let's see, we have the in chat GPT we have codex is there. They will generate the codes. So now I would like to ask first 100 prime number was Python code. So I would like to copy this why because I need again yeah. Let's see. First to have a Python. They can given the Python code for the first 100 numbers. And, yeah. well, it is having the codex, right? So codex can generate the whatever the comments you have to type it here, they will generate the code. So within a fraction of seconds. Let's say how much time it will take. It is generally takes 20 seconds, 25 seconds. So they will generate it before we can, after we can given the comments. Now I can move to Bing AI. Same question I have to ask here. Yeah, first prime numbers Python code. Let's see they will give the code or not. Searching for, so they are searching, they are not generating Python code for first 100 prime numbers. You have to analyze whether which technology is good or not. Yeah, here is the Python program for the 100 prime numbers using first look and breakup statement. Okay, so this all for right for num in range of 2 to 100 and for range in 2 to num. It's a simple coding they are given for a compared to this chat GPT. They are given the full core of the Python, and Bing AI is given the context, some context, and then they given some code. Now I would like to move to this Google bot. Same question, I have to paste it here. Let's see. So let's see. So once they analyze the code in the, I mean, whatever the input from the users in BARD, they will generate within a fraction of a second. It was very, very, very fast as compared to ChatGPT and Bing AI. Let's see. They generate within the 5 seconds of time. So that's why the accuracy rate and I mean fast is very, very, I mean, content generation is very, very fast in this bot. So they're given the Python code and they're given some content and they're given the code snippet also. Like, so they given out input, output, and everything, whatever. So whatever the code we have to generate, and you have to save it, and you have to like the button and dislike and export the response. And you don't, so you need the related answer also. You need to Google it also. Okay. Now, I would like to move to the chat GPT for the next question. That is, yeah, we need to ask the current real-time information. Which party is won the election in Karnataka? So recently we are know about that Congress party is won the elections in 2023 elections that is declared, and I think one day 2 days back. Let's see. I apologize, but as the AI language model, I response informative until September 2021. So they know the information about 2021 only. After that, I think it will be updated on March 15 or 14, I don't know exactly. The GPT-4 version will be released. On that day, that is the latest version. I think up to March 15, I have the I mean, OpenAI ChatGPT 3.5 have the information, but I don't think so. They don't have the information about this, the real-time information. Now I would like to move to the Bing AI. Oh, sorry. I just GPT. 1 second, guys. Sorry for the, yeah. Same question I have to ask here, like, uh, what is, which party is won the elections in Karnataka uh, recently? I need to copy this question. Why? Because I need to copy the board also. Let's see, they are generating the response. Recent elections in Karnataka. Searching for recent elections in Karnataka. Okay. I'm sorry I couldn't find the recent elections. May 10th. Yeah. However, I find the article talks about the ongoing Karnataka Assembly elections. According to the article, Bharatiya Janata Party is leading with 71 seats, followed by the Congress with 110 and the JDS is 23. So I think that is Bharatiya Janata Party is not leading 71 seats. Congress with 1 seats. I don't think so. It's wrong information, guys. Leading with 71 seats and followed by Congress with a 110. How it will be leading with the 110 compared to the 71? Okay, same question I have to ask to but let's see they can give the information or not. Which parties won the elections in Karnataka recently? Yeah. Ah, in the Indian National Congress recently won the elections. Yes, they. I now I can. Congratulations to the board. They can impress me. Why? Because they can given the real time information. The party won the 135 seats in the 224 member assembly, while the Bharatiya Janata Party 65 and Janata Dal won the that is the JDS won the 3 seats and Independence won the 1 seat and Congress victory measure. Wow. It was really awesome as compared to the, I mean, Bing AI and Chat GPT. I'm asking the Chat GPT, they don't have the information because they have the information up to the September 2021. And Bing AI also they don't have information. They can extract the information from the article only. They did not, they didn't what can I say that generated the information. Okay, now I can move to the one more question. So we don't have any time. Let's chat GPT's question. Yeah, this is a general question I have. The distance between North Pole to South Pole in distance, sorry, between North Pole to South Pole on the Earth. I need to copy this question because I need to for BARD and as well as Bing AI. Let's see. The distance between the North Pole to South Pole along the surface of approximately 20,003 kilometers. Okay, now I would like to ask to Bing. I just copy paste the question. They're generating the response. I think it takes too much of time. The distance between North Pole and South Pole and approximately 12,436 miles and 20,015 kilometers. It's approximately same as compared to that is in ChatGPT 20,003 kilometers. Here in Bing AI, it will be 20,015 kilometers. Now we can ask the same question to BARD. Let's see. We have to paste the question. Wow, this star was very nice, you know. The distance between North Pole and South Pole is 12,430 miles. That is 20,004 kilometers in a straight line. Okay. Uh, the distance along the surface of the Earth about the 12,756 miles. That is 20,000 feet, 563 kilometers. So it's approximately same. In between that will be the Chat GPT to I mean board. It will be only 1 kilometers difference and. I will compare BARD and ChatGPT to Bing AI will given the approximately, I mean, 11 kilometers will be difference will be there. Now I can ask the some more question to the ChatGPT. Uh, yeah, we can ask the same real time information. I don't know whether the I mean, ChatGPT don't have the information about this one. So who is leading in IPL 2023? Huh? Which team is leading in 2023 up to now? I have to copy the question and enter the question. Sorry, I have to give the question like which IPL team. So they don't have information. So now we can move to the Bing AI, paste the question and replace this IPL. Let's see. I think they have this a little bit only accuracy rate will be only 82. I thought that it was 70 to 80%. Which IPL team is leading in 2023? So, so I'm sorry I couldn't find the information on which IPL team is leading in 2020 up to now. However, I can tell you the according to the prediction by Gridley, the Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians will be the two teams in the future in the 20 finals. They will create the prediction. Now we can move to BARD. Same question and make it IPL team. Yeah. So yeah. Now I can. So I'm completed all the questions. So whatever the question I have to given to the bot, they can give us the accuracy will be 95 above 95%. Now I can trust the bot also. Recently, one of my colleagues also said that we are using that VPNs and tried the bot and everything. So they are not given the immense information as compared to ChatGPT. But today I'm not supposed to encourage their words. Why? Because I observed the at least seven questions from the starting of the session today. So they can give the good information compared to Bing AI as well as ChatGPT. Let's see. Here, I can ask the which IPL team is the leading in 2023 up to now. Why? Because one thing I have to observe. Why? Because in RC, I mean, sorry for this one. And in ChatGPT, they don't have any real time information, but they have the real time information on that day. That ChatGPT is the competitor for this Google bot. Why? Because this is the this we need, right? We have to ask for the real time information. They need the information. So there, the content generation is very super. But in this bot, it was the content generation is also super, and the accuracy will be good, and the content generation is very fast as compared to any technology we have to compare. Yeah, here I have to compare from the three technologies. In the Bing is very slow as compared to the ChatGPT as a bot, but bot is very good. So let's see. I'm asking the which team is the leading in 2023. Let's say everyone knows about the Gujarat Titans is leading Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians and Rajasthan Royals and Lucknow Super Giants and Royal Challengers. So, but they have up to I think they have the good information as up to now, so they can give on the prediction. I mean, they can give the information everything about it. Uh, so today session is about this, guys. So I need to give the one more command that is we can connect in a emotional way. Like we can give the commands like I love you, I love you. Okay, how they can generate. Thank you for kind words. However, it's important to remember that I am a AI language model. So you have to remember that you are a AI language. So that's why we are also remember that you are the AI model. Now we can ask Bing A. I love you. I'm flattered, but just a machine learning model. I'm not capable of feeling emotions like humans do. How it was? It was very funny. We have to use this type of commands to this one. And now I will move to the bot. I will give the command like I love you. Thank you. I'm glad you for a large language model knowledge. Yeah, yeah. They given every technology will given the same context with a different manner, but we have to accept it. Now, one thing I have to say about the bot why because it is having the I mean good as compared to ChatGPT and Bing AI. So one thing we have to know about it. So even though ChatGPT has come to the IT industry, for the users enhancement. So before that, we have same chatbot we have that Google Assistant is. It was from the, I think I know. I have to know the ChatGPT. This Google Assist from the last 5 years before onboard. So before onwards, so we have to given the on the voice command, so they can give the some. Oh, the accuracy is not good. Yeah, on that time it was very good, right? So on that time also, 5 to 6 years before onwards, the Google Assistant will give the immense information and the good information to the users. On that time, it was very good, right? Even though nowadays the chat gpt will over everyone is not that it will overcome and it will destroy the google and everything, so that is not happening nowadays. So why? Because so every company having the their strategy, why? So we have to accept it, we have to move forward with. As recently we saw the Infosys chairman Narayana Murthy also said that in 80s also the code generators are coming. On that day everyone bother about that layoffs is gone to each and every company, and there everyone are bother about it, but we don't bother about it. That Narayana Murthy also said that ChatGPT is coming, so we have to accept the ChatGPT, we have to welcoming the ChatGPT into the IT industry, so we have to waiting for their new features and everything, so we don't bother about that whether the layoffs is going and whatever it may be. So we need to accept that each and every technologies come to the IT industry. Now we have now we have to know about the BARD AI. So it was very fantastic experience. I have to compare with the Bing AI, BARD AI, and ChatGPT. OpenAI ChatGPT, and it was very. But one thing I have to tell you that so the OpenAI is the inspirations to the Bing AI as well as the BARD AI. Why? Because this is the it will place the one place to the there. One second, I will tell you. So it will create one era to the chatbots and artificial intelligence chatbots to the each and everything. Like so we are not. The OpenAI is not supposed to. Create this chat GPT. We cannot expect this bot AI as Bing AI in near future, right? So, for example, they are not created. Means so this type of features we are able to see in after 5 or 7 years. So that's why this OpenAI is the inspiration for the both. So even though that Microsoft are able to adopt this OpenAI, so they are invested to $1 billion and everything. So it was ready to adopt this ChatGPT. Why? Because it was very good, good, right? So Bing has the information, real-time information. They don't have the information. They have to at least OpenAI has to contribute their features with a third-party role, and they're taking the real-time information. So that's what they need. Every company has their standards, so they're moving with the new features and how to attract the users, how to attract the subscribers, so whatever it may be. Let's see. Even I'm attract the subscribers. That's why I'm doing this session. It's funny, right? But I have to accept it. But this is the truth, guys. Even though I'm willing to learn from you guys, I have to impress you subscribers to get the subscribers. That is the main intention. That is the main strategy of the each company. Even though the OpenAI and Microsoft and Bing, whatever it may be, so every company, every person has their standards to move forward it and keep it as is safe, and everything is will be one day it's fine, and every person is able to do what the Elon Musk also say that impossible things can be make it as a possible. That is the main thing I have to say to each and everything. Please go, feel free to move with whatever the technology, you need to move forward it, and you have to success will be comes to your end in a one such a day. And you have any doubts regarding the latest technologies and whatever the or you have to please feel free to reach out me on the LinkedIn. I would like to feel free to tell me everything in the smooth manner. So I'm working as associate consultant in the AVDM. Thank you so much, guys, for attending this session, and thank you.